Going to be doing today. Today we're going to be focusing on two types of special unique lines. They are parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect. As long as you extend them in either direction, they will never meet. They will never meet because they have something special, and that is the same slope. If lines have the same slope and different y-intercepts, they will never intersect. However, if they have the same y-intercept, they will then merge into the same line. So you will only have one line instead of two. So you must have, for I guess puberty does come at 55. Okay, the same slope and different y-intercepts means parallel lines. So how do we answer this? What do you observe about the slopes of the two lines? They are the same. What do you observe about the relationships of the two lines? They never intersect. And the two lines are, what's the name for two lines that never intersect? Parallel. Okay, which brings us to the next set of unique and special lines, and these are going to be perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines intersect at 90 degrees, in other words, right angles. Okay, lots of intersections take place at right angles. And so, what do you observe about the slopes of these two lines? Well, if you look at this, the slope of this line is positive, and it is 3/2. You look at this line, it is negative, and it is 2/3. So if one is positive, the other is negative. If one is negative, the other is positive. If one is 3/2, then the other is 2/3. So we are going to call these opposite reciprocals. And we have used that word reciprocals before. Opposite, meaning if one's positive, the other's negative. If one's negative, the other's positive. And reciprocal means we flip. The top number goes on the bottom, and the bottom number goes on top. The same way in reverse, okay? So what do you observe about the relationship of the two lines? They intersect at 90 degrees, or we call those what? Right angles. And what is the special word to describe this intersection? These two lines are perpendicular. And that's it for this lesson. If you can cover that, it's asking it in different ways. It's going to make you graph them in different ways. And that's the deal. So with that, good luck. If you have questions, make sure you ask.